Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your computer that's zoomed in on your Windows 11 or 10 computer. So right-click on the desktop and then go to Display Settings and scroll on down under here. Just make sure you choose your correct display and go to where it says Scale. And yours might be at like 500%. You entered in a custom number. And just go back to like 125 or 100%. And if you click this little arrow, you can see you can type in a custom number. Let's go back here and then scroll on down and do the same thing for resolution. Just go to the recommended. Mine's 1920 by 1080. Unless you have like a 4K monitor or 2K monitor or something like that. Now, another thing that could be causing issues, maybe you hit the Windows button and the plus icon. You can go to Accessibilities and go to Magnifier. And maybe this is turned on, where it's magnified on your screen. Well, we can just exit this out, or we can turn it off or zoom out with these options on here. We got the zoom increments as well. But go ahead and just look at this. Hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. Did leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more checkout videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.